Today we're gonna build this metal end table that comes with a lamp, and this is what comes in the box. You have your light bulb, the cover for the lamp, you have the screws here, the round thing for the lamp, the metal pieces that go around, this long stick here for the light bulb, an extension cord with USBs, and the table sides.
This is the assembled end table with the lamp. You get 2 shelves, you get 2 plugs, 2 outlets, one type C and one USB. You plug that in, that's what powers that. And the lamp you plug in separately, and it has an on and off switch right here. It also comes with the light bulb. This is it right here. This is how it looks. Cute little end table. Here's my side table. I was able to plug in a digital picture frame. I plugged in my lamp, which is on. So there you go. Looks really nice. And I love that it has the extra plugs in the front.